Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a forest on guitar. We will dive into crafting an immersive soundscape that transports your listeners to a serene woodland. You will learn to use specific guitar techniques to mimic the sounds and feelings of nature, from gentle breezes to rustling leaves. We will cover everything from choosing the right tunings to employing subtle effects, helping you paint vivid sonic pictures with your instrument. Get ready to transform your guitar into a natural sound generator. To begin creating your forest sound, consider experimenting with open tunings. Tunings like dadgad, where your strings are tuned to D, A, D, G, A, D, offer a beautiful drone-like quality that resonates deeply. Instead of strumming full chords, try gently plucking the individual notes to form arpeggios. This technique allows each note to sustain and blend, creating a sense of spaciousness and depth, much like the open air within a forest. Let those notes breathe and intertwine. Dynamic control is crucial for evoking a natural environment. Practice varying your picking attack, moving from a very soft touch to a slightly firmer one to simulate the subtle shifts in a forest ambience. Incorporating effects pedals can greatly enhance this experience. A subtle reverb pedal, set to a medium decay, will add a sense of depth and space, making your guitar sound larger and more ethereal. Additionally, a short delay, perhaps set to 200 milliseconds, can create gentle echoes, mimicking sounds bouncing off trees. Now, let's bring in specific nature sounds. Gentle slides up and down the fretboard, combined with soft hammer-ons and pull-offs, can effectively mimic the sound of wind rustling through leaves or the subtle movement of branches. For bird-like calls, try incorporating very subtle string bends, perhaps a quarter step or half step on higher strings. Finally, allow certain notes or open strings to sustain for several seconds, creating moments of calm and stillness, just like the quiet moments found deep within a peaceful forest. Enjoy your sonic journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.